3?
All right, people. Yeah, she had 6 puppies, but only 2 of them made it.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
All right, people. We got the box in. Now, time to get that bitch all the way in. Ain't that right, Hob?
Sure is.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Yeah, that's what she said. Now it's time to get it all the way in. We're just waiting on Andrew to show up with the rest of the 0 gauge. We get ready to make this whole motherfucker.
Is this necessary?
Yes, it's very necessary.
Yeah.
Double baffled. 45s. Oh, yeah, it's going down. What the fuck did I do with my cigarettes? Alright, people. Showing some progress. Taking some measurements. Finding out what we're gonna do here. Look at this little sexy cable. Got a big 2x4 over there. Box gonna go there on that 2x4. And got some batteries. Everything's looking good. Alright. Box is going in.
Needs a socket. See that hole right there?
You can attach the screwdriver bits to the whatchamacallit.
That's all we need.
Oh shit.
We need a socket with
What do you think, Ian?
It was too long-winded.
Okay, now we need wire up your shit that you had back there.
Alright.
With the awesome Raptor.
Your Raptor speaker wire. Oh, fucking.
Look, y'all, that is coilish, isn't it? Is it coil? Motherfucker? No. That's wood, isn't it?
All that, yeah.
Fucking with me like that, man.